So recently, one of these LED lights burnt out, and I got this one for some sort of ridiculous price. I can't remember exactly what it was. Like, is it $1 a bulb or something, or I don't know. But it was ridiculously cheap. The problem with these is they're supposed to be good for about 10 years. I don't think it's been 10 years, but it's just that you can't be a company that makes these. This sort of thing where, yeah, they work, but they work really long, so that a company can't really survive putting these things out because you need another one in like 10 years. It's $1. I mean, do the math, right? So I put another one in the socket. This one comes in and turned on. So I was interested in knowing what exactly is inside these things. And I'm guessing one of the problems with this type of device is that probably has a transformer in every single bulb. And you'd really want a transformer in the fixture and a whole bunch of bulbs that have, straight up lead, but there's probably some hardware in here for a transformer. There might be some other components. So a problem with all these devices that fit into the traditional 120 volt sockets. And in this case, I think these LEDs here, they have like a 1.5 volt junction voltage drop. So they'd probably be running around 2 volts or something, so that they could drop all their power going across the junction, the semiconductor junction. But yeah, so I'm guessing that whatever transformers in there is for appropriate amperage to drive a cluster. I guess you need more and more of them to get more and more light, because per area they only put out a certain amount of light. So you're looking at very thin gauge transformer. I don't know. We'll see what else is in there. It's going to be pretty minimal, but yeah. I'm interested in knowing if the LEDs are actually bad in that or not. Or if the LEDs have failed, or there could be like a chain reaction where something else has gone and has taken the LEDs with it. But the LEDs are supposed to not go totally off right away. They're supposed to gradually fail. Okay, for whatever cheap price, it was amazingly hard to take apart. There's like metal all over the inside. It's like a heat sink. There was thermal compound between this thing here and that, and when I took this apart with my screwdriver, I might have compromised it to such a point where it's shorting out. But basically, we have these two pins that provide power, and no other components. So it's straight up lead board. Then we have some sort of power inverter thing here. It's got let's see, what is that? It's got a resistor, transformer, capacitor, chip. Not sure if that's protection. Also, I found, where is it? Did I throw it out? No, here it is. There's some sort of 3-pin something or other here. Or is that a 3-pin? Anyway, it's I think it's yeah. Looks like some sort of I don't know what it is really, but it's a transistor something or other. That's really strange. And you can kind of see inside it too. Yeah, so that thing might have been what failed, because it kind of fell out, so that's kind of suspicious, Anyway, let's see if the lead thing, we'll look at the chip number. The chip number is a what? I don't really know, but it says 71YL5L7KE. We'll look that up on the computer and see what that says. So let's go for some teardown photos. Okay, so let's see what a connectivity test is for this. No. Okay, that is not inspiring. There's no connectivity and there's no resistance. Let's see if we put them together. If we do both sides of one of these. Okay, on this thing. So I'll do a DC volt. 20. Yeah. -9. Yeah. So far I haven't been able to get these layers apart to really be able to do anything with them. This thing, but there's 2 points here that are supposed to be on both sides of this lead. put that there. There's a lot of things I gotta do at the same time to make this work. I don't think I can do this. Hey. Ooh. Well, at least that one's good. I don't know about the other ones. That's fun. That's all very amusing. And I'm putting 9 volts with like 500 mA through there, and it's like not dying, so I don't really know why.